Hey guys, Mark here, Blue Glow Electronics. Look, quick little video to tell you that I am not going to publish part 2 in the Fisher 30A restoration series. Part 1 was the history of the unit, part 2 was going to be a schematic walkthrough, part 3 was the actual restoration, and part 4 I'm working on now, which is listening to these units up in the listening room. But part 2, as I went down the path of creating that video, I went off the deep end and it turned into a multi-part video series on really how a push-pull amplifier works. I reverse engineered the Fisher 30A design. I talk a lot about why maybe Fisher chose the components they chose, what would have happened if they'd have chosen larger or smaller values, and I just talk about how a push-pull amplifier works in general. So I decided to pull that out and make its own little video series, and this is just a plug to send you over there to watch that. So you'll get what you want. It's just not in one video, it's in a whole series. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you over there soon.